Congratulations to all Pi miners. Pi has been listed in different exchanges like OKX, Bigate, and so on. In order to trade your Pi coin in these several exchanges, watch this video to the very end. I'll be using Binance Exchange to teach you how to trade your Pi coin. You can use the same step for any other exchange of your choice. The steps are: log into your Binance account, and the next thing is for you to click on the trade option found at the bottom of your screen. Clicking on it, we have the convert. If you look at the top menu, you're going to see convert, spot, merging, copy, both buy and sell. So make sure it is on the spot option. The next thing is for you to choose your coin. So you just have to select Pi and USDT. Though for now Pi is not yet on Binance, but this is how it's going to look like. You just have to type in Pi USDT. Pi USDT. The next thing you have to do is, on this market option, just make sure that it's on market. Sometimes it will be on limit, so make sure it is on market because you want to sell your Pi coin to USDT. So the next thing you have to do is to type in manually the amount of Pi you want to sell. Let's say I want to sell 200 Pi. You just make sure you select it. Want to sell it 200 Pi to be converted to USDT. So the next thing you have to do is to draw the slide to 100% and click on sell. So automatically you're going to sell your Pi. Having sold your Pi, you can now go out from this spot screen, go back to your home page. The next thing you have to do here is to click on the wallet option in order to transfer your USDT from your spot wallet to your funding wallet. Now here on my wallet option, this is the new screen. I just have to click on the spot option. You can see the third option at the top menu. You're going to see the spot option. Just click on it. So the next thing you have to do here is to click on transfer. Clicking on transfer, you're going to make sure that the from and to that we have here, from should have spot wallet and to should have fund wallet funding, because you are transferring from spot wallet to fund wallet. It should be like this. The next thing you have to do is to select the coin that you are transferring, which is USDT, because after selling your Pi it will convert it to USDT. The next thing you have to do is to type manually the amount of USDT you want to transfer to your funding wallet. So let me see, I'm transferring 500 USDT. If you have up to that amount on your Binance app, the confirm option is going to pop out here. You just have to click on it, and within 5 seconds it will be transferred to your funding wallet, where you can now make any transaction of your choice. So guys, I believe with this you'll be able to sell your Pi on any exchange of your choice. If this video was helpful, do well to like, comment, share, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.